You're welcome. Daniel, please. I apologize. We held you waiting. Go ahead. Please.
Oh, no. Those questions were amazing. I was learning a lot. Baruch
Okay,
Hashem.
Baruch Hashem. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I was just looking for a question that would be like relevant to most of us. Okay, so I was reading this weekend. I was reading that Abraham ibn Ezra said that there are like two types of commandments, and he says that there are commandments that involve the faculty of speech, which inspire the heart, that involve actions, which inspire the speech. But unfortunately, he doesn't expand on it any further. At least not in the book that I got this from. But I was wondering if kavod could give us a few examples about these commandments that Ibn Ezra is speaking about.
Could you repeat this? How did he say it again, please?
Yes. There are commandments that involve the faculty of speech, which inspire the heart, and there are commandments that inspire the heart through speech, and there are other that involve actions inspire the speech, meaning there are commandments that we inspire the heart through speech, and there are others that we do like meaning through actions that actually inspire the speech, like the other way around. Sorry, I was just wondering.
I'm not sure. I mean, you can go with this idea to any direction. So I'm not sure what exactly he meant. I mean, there are two like separate commands. Some commandments is action, and some without action. So some inaction. So some are through speech. Or what is through speech? For example, learning Torah is a commandment that you do through speech. And putting tefillin, you're doing through the action, but it's also with the speech because you have to read the psukim before and during and after. So I'm not exactly sure what he meant. It's not. The statement is very vague. You understand? So that's. I don't want to give you.
Yes.
It's very vague. I mean, he meant something specific, but we don't know what he meant.
Yes, absolutely. That's very, very hard to digest, actually.